Your first 40 views on your YouTube video can either make or break that your YouTube video, and this is actually determined by how those 40 people react to your YouTube video. So YouTube, they actually normally check how people react to videos, and you can actually see that in your audience retention, your YouTube studio, because that's there in your YouTube studio. So you yourself can also see how people are reacting to your video. So let's take for example in a situation where you, after you finish uploading your video, you copy the link and then you post it in maybe your WhatsApp group or your Instagram, Instagram story and stuff like that. And then people from there start coming to watch your video. That might actually make your video flop. And the reason why that might make your video flop is because the first 40 people that is going to come from those people that are coming from the link, they might actually not even watch your video from the beginning to the end. And also, they might not even engage properly, like the video, comment on the video and stuff like that. They might just watch it for some few seconds and then they are going to leave the video. And YouTube, they are going to notice this, because when they are doing that, that's actually sending negative signal to the YouTube algorithm. And as far as the YouTube algorithm is going to be concerned, it's going to think that your video is not interesting, which means that YouTube will not push your video to a larger audience when they are sensing that a lot of people are not engaging properly to your video. Now, another problem is that when YouTube is about to push a video, they normally push it to people that are similar to the ones that are already watching. So if you are the ones that are bringing in random people to come and be the first 40 people to watch your video, then you should know that YouTube might just push that your video to the wrong audience, because they are going to push it to people similar to that first 40 people. And when they are to do that, those people might not actually like your video, so they might not click to watch, or they might watch and they will still watch for a few seconds, which is further going to destroy your video. So you can see, so the kind of people that are coming to watch your video, or rather the first 40 people that will come and watch your video, they are actually going to determine if YouTube will push your video to a larger audience. And not just that, they are also going to determine the kind of audience that YouTube will push your video to. So that first 40 views is very, very important. The right thing to do is to always allow the right audience to find your videos. Although that might actually take some time though, but it's always better, because when the right audience find your video, they will actually watch your video and then they will engage properly. And then that will make YouTube to push your videos to that similar right audience, which means your video will be able to get much views, and then your video will be able to do much more better here on the YouTube platform. So that is actually the right thing to do. In a situation where you would like to have a group of people to watch your video immediately after you are done watching it, try your best to make sure that those people that are about to watch your video and be the first 40 people to watch your video, make sure that they already watch videos like the ones that you're uploading, so that those videos will be in their watch history, so that once they watch your video, at least if YouTube is to push your video further to much more people, they are going to push it out to people that already watch your type of content, which means that it's going to be your right audience. So that's the right thing to do. So if you know that there is no way for you to find those kind of people to watch your video immediately after you upload it, then just fully optimize your video. Make sure you optimize that video, keyword the video, and then be patient. Allow YouTube to do their job, and they are definitely going to find the right audience for you. And that is better, because once YouTube find the right audience for you, your video is definitely most times going to blow up. That's how I even got my video that is having almost 5,000 views now, although I'm still kind of new here on YouTube. I just allowed the video to stay there, and before I know it, it started moving from 400 views, 500 views, 1,000 views. Now it's at almost 5,000 views. So it's just like that. So always make sure that you are doing these things right, because once YouTube find the right audience for your video, trust me, they are going to keep pushing that video to the right audience, and that video will keep growing on a daily basis. I want to quickly share you guys one trick that you can actually use to make sure that the first 40 people that watch your video are actually people that like your content, so that YouTube can also share your videos to those kind of people that are already into that kind of content. So in order to do that, you need to meet up with, or rather mingle with, similar creators like you that normally always go to YouTube and watch the kind of content that you normally upload there on YouTube. And then once you mingling with all these creators, create a group, and then you all will be in that group. Then once anybody upload a video, they will go and post it in the group, or rather they will post on the group that, okay, I've uploaded a video. Then everybody there in the group, they will go and watch that video and massively engage on that video. That is going to be sending a lot of positive signals to the YouTube algorithm. And then if YouTube is about to push the video, YouTube will also push the video to similar people. And the similar people that they will push it to are people similar to those creators, or rather people that have similar watch list, or rather watch history with those creators, which are going to be people that will still enjoy your video. So if YouTube is to push your video that way, they are going to be pushing it to the right audience. So this is also one trick that you can actually use if you know that okay, you want to be pushing your video immediately after you upload it, just try your best to mingle with similar creators and create that group, and then start doing what I just said. As for those creators that normally switch their accounts to go and watch their video after they are done uploading it, because most creators, they actually do that. Once they have uploaded their video, they have a lot of other YouTube accounts, so they'll switch to those accounts and then they'll start using those accounts to watch the video immediately after uploading it. If you know that you are one of those creators, then the right thing you should be doing is that also make sure that those other YouTube accounts that you are using it to watch your kind of video, or rather similar videos that you upload from time to time, because there are a lot of creators that also upload the kind of videos that you upload. So be using those accounts to be watching their videos as well, so that you have those type of videos in the watch history of those accounts, so that whenever you use those accounts to watch your video and YouTube is about to push your video to similar people like that account, they will be able to see that okay, the watch history is having similar videos like what you are uploading, and then they will push it to people that enjoy those kind of content. So I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So the point is, if you are actually switching your account, make sure that you are watching similar videos from other creators on those accounts. That's the main points I'm actually trying to make right now. And also the last thing I will say is that if you want to be able to bring your friends, your family, and random people to watch your videos, make sure that you are doing that after you have already gotten 40 views. So if you know that you want to do that, just be patient, upload your video, allow YouTube do their thing, analyze the video, push it out to the right audience, and then once you've observed that okay, you have gotten more than 40 views, you can then allow your friends, your family, and different random people with different random watch history to come and watch the video. That's the only way that is not going to affect the algorithm, or rather affect how YouTube will push your video. So that's the only safe way that you can actually do that. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, or rather right now, you should be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys in my next video.